The scientists have discovered this planet supposedly 212 light years away, and they rate its habitability in order to have life on it, Earth-like life, as 0.86 on the scale, 1 being perfect, but 0.86. But they rate the Earth at 0.85. So I'm going, how absurd is that the Earth is uninhabitable according to them by 15%?
Mm-hmm.
But that's the kind of thing that they're using to say, oh, well, there has to be other planets out there because we've decided that they're better to live on than this one.
Mm-hmm. And all we need is water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I would recommend the book that was out. It's out of print now. That was written, I'm going to say, about 20 years ago. Was called The Privileged Planet.
That's the one. Yeah.
But now because the thing is that astrophysics, we're getting better at it, and we're getting more data. You know, with these telescopes and all these measuring devices, and so what Ross wrote this book because it's even less probable than what we knew 20 years ago.
Yeah. It's getting worse. It's not getting better for materialism. It's getting worse.
Well, I think my response to Dirk's comment would be that if somebody if somebody's coming up with that technical of a response, because remember now you're in way less than 1% of people you're ever going to encounter.
Yep, that's right.
That are going to raise this kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
I think the answer for that kind of person is, if you really want to do a thorough investigation of this, you ought to pick up the book Improbable Planet, because based on what I know, and again, I haven't read it, but I've been listening to this Ross, and I know a lot of what he said is in the book, and I'm listening to this stuff, and I'm realizing, no, this is radically impossible. He shouldn't call it the improbable planet. He should call it the impossible planet,
Yeah.
is the truth of the matter.